The OnePlus 11R is up for pre-order in India. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So guys, this right here is the OnePlus 11R. It's one of the latest launches from the house of OnePlus, launched alongside the OnePlus 11. This phone is the successor to the 10R, and now you can pre-order this phone from both online and offline markets. So you can currently pre-order the OnePlus 11R in two colors, black and silver, and the pricing is set at 39,999 rupees for the 8GB plus a 128GB storage variant, while the 16GB plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 44,999 rupees. And overall, I think so this phone makes up for a fantastic deal. I mean, the OnePlus 11 is a fantastic phone in its own right, but this one makes a lot of sense for the price to performance ratio. Now, of course, if you pre-order this phone right now, then you do get a bunch of discounts and offers. But the best one of the lot is that if you do pre-order this phone, then you get a free OnePlus Buds Z2, which are normally priced at 4,999, but as I said, you get it for free if you pre-order this phone from Amazon right now. So overall, I think so. I'm very pumped about testing the OnePlus 11R. It is in my hands right now. But do you want to see any comparison video, maybe with the OnePlus 11? What about a battery test between the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus 11R? Let me know in the comments. Now, during the OnePlus Cloud 11 event, OnePlus talked about a OnePlus 11 concept phone that the company is planning to launch at MWC 2023, the upcoming Mobile World Congress. And ahead of the launch, now Pete Lau has taken to Twitter and teased the OnePlus 11 concept phone. So as you can see in the teaser, the exterior seems to sport some fancy LEDs, blue kind of LEDs, much similar to what Nothing has done with the Nothing Phone 1's exterior. And also expected is that the exterior could also come in a carbon fiber finish, thus making the phone lighter as well as at the same time tougher. And we can also see a quad curved rear panel on the OnePlus 11 concept phone. But apart from these exterior changes, expect the OnePlus 11 to be the same as the OnePlus 11 on the inside, which means the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the same features, the same hardware and all that jazz. But of course, the MWC in Barcelona is coming very soon, so we'll get to know more about the OnePlus 11 concept then. Now, at the upcoming MWC, Realme is another brand that is slated to launch its upcoming smartphone, the GT3, and ahead of the launch of the smartphone, like few days are still left, right? But the company has just demonstrated the 240-watt charging tech that would be seen in the GT3. And they've shared a video. So as seen in this video, the Realme GT3 can attain a full charge from 0 to 100% in just 9 minutes and 30 seconds with the bundled 240-watt charger. Then the video further reveals that the phone can charge up to 50% in just 4 minutes, and a minute of charging fetches a 20% battery, which is insane, guys. Now, as of right now, the word on the street is that the Realme GT3 with the 240-watt fast charging tech will be paired with a 4600 mAh battery under the hood. While there's also a second variant that Realme could launch, that one could feature 150-watt charging along with a 5000 mAh battery, although we don't know anything about the global release timeline of the second variant. The Poco C55 is Poco's latest smartphone, and they've launched it in the country, and this phone is priced at under 10,000 rupees, which makes it for an amazing budget option. Now, the exact price is 9,499 rupees for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant, but with offers and discount, the effective price comes down to 8,499 rupees. Now, there's also a 6 plus 128GB version. That one costs 10,999 rupees, and the funny thing is that the Poco C55 is currently out of stock on Flipkart, which just shows that if you make a decent enough budget phone in the sub 10,000 rupees price segment, then there are a lot of buyers, a lot of interest around the device. But for the price, I think Poco has made a fantastic smartphone. It looks good, it has this leather-like finish. There's a 50 megapixel dual rear camera at the back. Then there's the Helio G85 processor under the hood. There's a 5000 mAh battery. Color options include green, black and blue. For all those who must have seen my iPhone 14 Plus review, you guys know that how I said that this is the best iPhone to buy in the 14 series this year. And anyone who wants to buy the 14 Plus right now, let me tell you that you can get it for under 80,000 rupees. So this is how the deal works. So currently the iPhone 14 Plus is selling for a discount of 9,000 rupees on Flipkart right now. So the price is 80,999 rupees. But if you have an HDFC Bank credit card, then you can get a further discount of 4,000 rupees. Plus, if you have an eligible smartphone to exchange, then the exchange bonus is also up to 23,500 rupees. Of course, that depends on the condition of your phone, but I think in my opinion, if you want the best iPhone right now, the best big iPhone right now, and you're also looking for a solid discount, then nothing beats the deal on the iPhone 14 Plus right now. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode, and I would also like to tell you that because of some time crunch issues, we would want to put a hold on the Daily Fiber series for now. But if we do see a lot of demand from you guys, if you can reach out to us in the comments and tell us that you want to see Daily Fiber again, then we'll come back again with the Daily Fiber series. But for now, let me tell you that we are currently going on hold with Daily Fiber, but of course, all the other content around phones, laptops, and all the other gadgets will be coming on Fiber Hindi and Fiber English. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.